Hey guys, what's up? It's Ashley, and today we are making a smoothie bowl. So last night I prepped some fruit, and I have a mixed berry and a strawberry banana. And basically what I did was I just took strawberries and bananas for the strawberry and banana one, and for mixed berries I did a little bit of banana, I did strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. And basically I froze them overnight, so if you use fresh fruit you can just add ice to it and it will basically do the same thing. It's also really good to do when you think like your fruit's going bad instead of throwing it out, because I noticed recently I feel like I've been wasting a lot of produce because like I'll think I'll eat this amount of fruit and I never do, but it's really good because if you just freeze it you'll save fruit and you'll have an extra breakfast to do. So recently I've been liking smoothie bowls. I think they're really filling and you feel good about yourself because you know you're eating something healthy afterwards. So let's get right into it.
Do your thing.
Okay, wait, I can't get this open.
Oh, is it frozen?
Oh wait, I got it. And I would say like the amount you probably want to use is fill it up mostly with the fruit, just because when you blend it, it obviously like completely condenses down because it all gets mushed up. But okay, so what I'm gonna do is for my bowl itself, that way I have some crunch at the bottom, I'm gonna put my granola at the bottom, and I'm using kind oats and honey. Did a thin layer of that. Okay, so next I am going to use honey, and I'm going to drizzle it across the granola. And then for my mix, like everything's basically already in here. All I'm going to do is add the milk and then blend it. And right now I am using Almond Breeze almond milk. You can use regular milk, you can use oat milk, you can use whatever milk that you want. And I would say the amount of milk that you use is based on what kind of texture that you want. This is going to be harder than I thought. I think it needs more milk. Actually, you need a lot of milk if you're going to break down the frozen fruit. This is my first time using frozen fruit. I usually always use fresh fruit and then add ice to it. So when you use frozen fruit, it's definitely harder to blend. And I'm also using a smaller container, so I don't think it's giving it enough room to move around, where usually I use a bigger one. So it's just taking a little bit longer.
I think you're ready.
And look at the color. The color is really pretty too. So it has a really nice color and consistency. And then I'm going to top it with more granola. And I'm also going to top it with some honey roasted peanuts. And then I still have some fresh fruit left over, so I'm also going to top it with that. And some more honey. And there we have it. That's the finished smoothie bowl. And here I'm going to try it. It's really good. I like it a lot. You can like tell it's fresh, and I like the consistency. Like, I know freezing the fruit takes, I feel like, a lot longer to blend, but I think the consistency of it is a lot better, because when I did it with fresh fruit before, sometimes it was like too watery or too thick, and I was having trouble finding the right consistency. But I feel like when the berries are frozen, it kind of makes that same consistency anyway, and I think it's really good. And obviously, You can change up the ingredients. Smoothie bowls are so easy. You can use any fruit. You can top it with anything that you like. And I hope you guys like this video. And make sure you leave a like and a comment. And don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.